Wishing a wonderful morning to all the children. Welcome to the e-classes of Ambuja Public School. Today we are going to do Unit 2, and from this unit we will be doing the poem titled as Teamwork. Dear children, teamwork means the combination or the combined action of a group of people working together effectively to achieve a goal. Teamwork is a 8-letter word used as a noun and a compound noun. Dear children, compound word or a compound noun is a word that is made by joining two different words with different meanings, but when they are put together they make a complete new word with a different meaning. The word teamwork is made by joining team and work, and together it becomes teamwork. The synonyms of the word teamwork are collaboration, cooperation and coordination. Let us begin the poem. You can see a question highlighted over here, that do you like to work and play with others? My dear children, I believe that your answer is indeed you like to play with your friends, because playing as a team, playing together always gives us happiness and joy. This poem Teamwork is written by Jen Negro. And the theme of the poem is collaboration. With teamwork, or by working in a team, we learn to collaborate, we learn to help, we learn to trust each other. There is a harmony, feeling of contribution, support for each other, and there is a sense of cooperating. These are certain benefits that we all experience when we work as a whole, or we can say when we work as a team. Let us begin with the poem Teamwork. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we'll share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. This poem begins by telling us about how teamwork can contribute in making our dreams come true. As we all know, teamwork requires the effort of everyone. When we see a dream, we want to achieve it. Teamwork can help us in achieving it well. Moreover, the joy that we get after achieving our dream, we share that as well. And that sharing also brings happiness for everyone. Thus, even celebrating the victory of teamwork will be great together. Let's see the second stanza. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. The poem moves on the game of basketball. It tells us that to score a basket, everyone needs to work together. When the basketball goes through the hoop, it is the effort of everyone in the team. For if people do not pass the ball, no one will be able to shoot it in the basket. Here you can see the basket in which the players have to throw the ball to earn a score, and this is called a hoop. Similarly, the poem also gives the example of a relay race. In the race, one person has to pass the baton to the other. And however, if any one player decides not to do it, then they won't be able to succeed. Here you can see the cylindrical shaped object, the baton, which is passed from one member of the race to the other. The third stanza. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. Teamwork matters a lot in every situation. The poem concludes in this stanza by telling us that we are all parts of one whole. No person is bigger or smaller. Instead, everyone has their respective roles to play in the team. Even if one person does not play their part, there won't be a whole. So whenever we come together to achieve a common goal, we will surely achieve success, because it will be much better than working alone. This way, everyone will have the same purpose and will do their jobs equally. So, it says that you and I become us, which is the base of teamwork and which is very, very important to move towards the common aim, that is success. Let us enhance our vocabulary by understanding the words that we have learned from this poem. So here are some new words. The first is teamwork, which means combined effort of a group. Shoot means to throw the ball into the hoop in a basketball game. Hoop is a wooden or iron ring. Baton means a short cylindrical tube or a stick used in a relay race. And the word goal means aim. Rhyming words found in the poem are done, everyone, hoop, shoot, on, baton, whole, goal, us, and plus. Dear children, this poem of Jane Negro teaches us about the significance of teamwork. Moreover, we learn about how it can benefit us in many ways. Teamwork is always very, very fruitful, as the word itself means. T means take turns with supplies. E, exchange ideas. A, always stay on task. M, make an effort to try. W, wait for your turn to share. O, offer to help your team. R, respect others' opinion. K, keep working to finish the task. Dear children, always remember that when you are working as a team, it is always beneficial. It gives you strength, it encourages you and motivates you. As the poem cites examples of various sports, it makes it easier to understand the essence of teamwork. This way, we all can work together for the greater good. This poem has promoted the spirit of teamwork as it benefits all of us. So always remember, teamwork makes the dream work. So this is all for today. We'll meet you soon with the explanation of next chapter. Till then, thank you and take care.